Guys, we're working on this Craftsman Eager 1 with the Tecumseh 92cc engine with the high rear wheels. It's a mulcher, and we picked this up with a pack of 4 lawnmowers for $60, non-running. It had oil in the engine. The gas tank was completely dry. The guy said all it needed was a recoil. Put a new recoil on it. Put some good oil in it. Had a hole in the power bulb. Still have to fix that, but put on a new recoil. Didn't start. I had to put one of these things on, and then I put a new gas cap on it because it was missing the venter. Then we used some starting fluid. Jeremy sprayed some starting fluid in it. It ran. But we went to Walmart. They didn't have any, but then we went to Lowe's and we bought some of this mechanic in a bottle. It's for diesel and gas engines. It's a 7-ounce bottle. You use 1 ounce per 1 gallon, so it makes 7 gallons. This bottle right here costs $10. You can buy the smaller ones for $4, which are 3 ounces. But we can mix some in this gas can right here. Let's see if it works. First time testing out mechanic in a bottle. The guy that we bought these from said to try it out. He's used it before. Because this guy fixed small engine too, so we're going to see if good old mechanic in a bottle can fix it here. Alright, there's our mechanic in a bottle. Now, guys, try that out in a second once it sits. There she is. I'm going to show you guys all the cables are good and everything. I'm going to show you guys the other lawnmowers that we got. I got this Craftsman here with the Easy Walk. It's not the regular, it's the Fresh Start. It has this thing in here. I haven't refilled it yet, but this is the one I got. I've been wanting to get me one of these. I have this gas cap. It's the Ready Start 22-inch, 6.75 horsepower Craftsman. Front wheel drive, has almost new tires. It's got good oil. I got this Craftsman, non-self-propelled 2017. It did work great once I cleaned the carburetor. This one is an HP. It's the silver. It's a classic engine. The god dang wire's cut, Jeremy. It's a Craftsman, non-self-propelled. Worked great. It's gonna need a new wire, and it'll work great. This one needs a spark plug. Ain't got no spark. It's gonna be a parts mower. And then there's the recoil and gas cap. And I got this guy. It's a silver Craftsman deck. There. Don't know. This one just needs an engine. It's basically just, it has good wheels and everything. Just need to set it down there, my other lawnmowers, and get an engine put on it, and it'll be good to go. But, gotta wait for Jeremy, and we'll get this rolling. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys up by this lawnmower. I'm gonna go get Jeremy and get started. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to start it up here. We got to clamp the handle down. Tighten her down. Clamp here. See if she starts.
Did you put gas in there?
Yep.
How low was it? Put that gas in there. So it'll start getting the new stuff pretty quick.
Mm-hmm. Well guys, it's running pretty good. I think that's a successful repair. I think we're just going to let it run for about 5 more minutes. And then I'll make another video if it doesn't run fine, but I think that's a successful repair. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Bye.